Hey everyone, this will be the first video of my 1996 Ford F-150 restoration I'm doing. It's a regular cab long box truck, 4-wheel drive, straight six, manual trans. It started off as a 2-wheel drive and I converted it into a 4-wheel drive. Super rusty when I got it, and I tore it down to the frame. The frame was wire wheeled down to bare metal, then Por 15. As you can see, the Por 15 came out very lumpy. So I ended up starting to block it. So I'm going to block the whole frame and then respray it with either semi-gloss or gloss black paint. And hopefully it should look a little nicer. Starting at the back here, I did new leaf spring hangers, front and rear. The leaf springs are pretty much new. The leaf spring shackles have been replaced. The rear shock mounts have been replaced, both sides. When I painted the frame, I had the cross members out of it, and I had to grind off all the rivets. And then instead of putting rivets back, I used 1/2-inch grade 8 bolts on everything. So in the front, it's got new coil spring buckets, new radius arms. It's got a Rough Country 2.5-inch lift level kit in it. TTB front end. There is a toe point that I made for it. So you just put a clevis in there. You have to drill a hole in the bumper. But yeah, it's turning out very nice. Should hopefully have it done in the next couple of months. And I'll be updating all my progress and videos. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Thanks.